We will explain about 10 tips. What are some common health issues that people face today in this video? Number 1. Physical inactivity. The most common health issue in the contemporary world is keeping an inactive lifestyle. An inactive lifestyle causes cardiovascular diseases and diabetes, increases depression and mood swings. In addition, being inactive for a longer time is accompanied by pre-aging. So, it is essential for healthy aging, and to prevent fatal diseases, you should consume nutrient-rich food and live an active life with a physical workout. Number 2. Overweight and obesity. Obesity is diagnosed in the 2/3 population of the U.S. and is responsible for their many serious personal health issues. Hypertension, type 2 diabetes, coronary heart disease, stroke, gallbladder disease, osteoarthritis, sleep apnea, respiratory difficulties, dyslipidemia, and endometrial, prostate, and colon cancers are caused by overweight or obesity. The National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute of the National Institutes of Health provides comprehensive guidelines and practical recommendations to reduce weight and manage obesity. Number 3. Tobacco. In this stressful era, tobacco addiction is the most common health issue. Excessive tobacco usage is the leading cause of lung cancer and deaths in the United States. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, smokers who quit tobacco are succeeded in preventing respiratory diseases and pre-deaths, resulting in longer lifespan. Number 4. Heart disease and stroke. Heart disease and stroke still the leading causes of death for both U.S. men and women. NIH-funded scientists currently are looking to the power of precision medicine to better understand and manage these disorders. Number 5. Infectious diseases. NIH scientists are working to better understand how microbes develop resistance to antibiotics. Finding new diagnostics that can more quickly detect resistance, and finding new antibiotic drugs and vaccines to prevent and treat bacterial infections. Number 6. Diabetes. Diabetes affects 30 million American adults and children. People with the type 1 form of diabetes have an autoimmune disorder and are unable to produce sufficient amounts of the hormone insulin, which is made by the pancreas. The vast majority of Americans with diabetes have the type 2 form of the disorder, in which the body does not manage its insulin levels correctly. Since each may cause different health complications such as blindness, cancer, or high blood pressure, this information should eventually help doctors provide individualized treatment. Number 7. Mental illness. A mental disorder is characterized by a clinically significant disturbance in an individual's cognition, emotional regulation, or behavior. It is usually associated with distress or impairment in important areas of functioning. There are many different types of mental disorders. Number 8. Substance abuse. Another common health issue is using drugs among youth and older people to reduce depression and anxiety. Drug and alcohol addiction are the most common types of substance misuse. This substance addiction may have severe health implications, including heart and kidney failure and neurological complications. Number 9. Health concerns. Contrast the list above to the health concerns that rise to the top when large numbers of people are surveyed. For example, a Gallup poll conducted yearly asks adults in the U.S. to name the most urgent health concerns. As for diseases, here are the most frequently mentioned concerns. Obesity, 15%. Cancer, 14%. Diabetes, 2%. Drug and alcohol abuse, 2%. Heart disease, 1%. Number 10. Cancer. Cancer is a disease in which some of the body's cells grow uncontrollably and spread to other parts of the body. Cancer is caused by certain changes to genes, the basic physical units of inheritance. Genes are arranged in long strands of tightly packed DNA called chromosomes. Cancer is a genetic disease, that is, it is caused by changes to genes that control the way our cells function, especially how they grow and divide.